Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Amazon Firestick remote if it's not working or something like that. So to do this, go on over to your TV in your Amazon Firestick and unplug those from the wall outlet. Then go to your remote, press the back button, the button with the three lines on it, and the left button right here, and hold all that down for about 15 seconds. So count out loud, 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 15. And your remote should be reset. Flip it around and take out the batteries now. Then go to your TV and plug your TV back in. Then when it gets to the home screen, place your batteries back into your remote and flip it around. And you can hold down the home button now. And this will put the Amazon Firestick remote into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And it's going to start blinking, indicated by an orange light on the top right. And this should sync it back up to your TV and your Firestick. Then after about 3 or 4 minutes, if it doesn't connect, there's going to be a pop-up on the screen that says no remote detected. When that pops up, just press this middle dial button, and that's when it usually works. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.